Hello, Psych 303 class. We're going to talk today about the GRE and the why, how, what, and when of it. Particularly addressing this question that you see here, should I take the GRE even in the first place? So what is the GRE? It's the standardized entrance exam for admission to graduate level programs. We're talking master's programs, doctoral programs. There are 3 sections. Verbal and quantitative reasoning, as well as a writing section. They are scored on a 130 to 170 point scale. And we have a link here in our PDF of kind of learning a little bit about what actually exemplifies a good score on the GRE. Earlier in this course, we gave you a personal writing statement guide to look at. And in that, we were talking about how graduate programs were looking at personal statements, the value or weight that they put on that criteria. Now we're looking at GRE scores, and as you can see here, doctoral programs said about 53% of them said it was of high importance to GRE, and 39% of master's programs indicated that the GRE was of great importance. Now, what factors should you consider if you're thinking, if your programs that you're applying to have this as an option? What are some factors you should be considering? Well, first of all, the strength of your overall application. Do you have a really solid personal statement? Do you have exceptional recommendations from faculty? Is your academic profile really strong, meaning that you have a really high GPA, and you have a transcript that really reflects ambition, motivation? Researching the mean GRE scores for programs you may be considering. If you're applying to doctoral programs in clinical and counseling psychology, you want to use the Insider's Guide for this. Otherwise, you want to try to go to the actual program websites to see what academic profile information you might come across there. And finally, is the time and financial investment worth it? So obviously, there is a cost for taking the GREs. It can be pretty costly. And the time investment. So when you say, maybe that time I'm invested in preparing for the GREs, maybe I can invest that in making some other areas of my application stronger. So a lot to think about with that. We have a lot of preparation links here of resources that you can use to prepare for the GRE. We're not going to go into great depth about all of these in this video. I would say a good starting point is the ETS website itself. And finally, when to take the GRE. I find that most students take the GRE either the summer before their senior year or October or November of their senior year. So the summer before actually when they're going to apply for that fall. Actually, the summer before their senior year is what I meant to say there. There is a fee reduction program. So if you have financial circumstances, financial need, you can apply for this GRE fee reduction program. We have some information here about at-home and scheduling your tests, as well as a list of psych master's programs not requiring the GRE. So I hope this is helpful to you. Again, this is just the tip of the iceberg. I recommend you utilize the PDF, resources in the PDF. Click on those links and explore the GRE more further and in depth. Thank you so much for listening, and take care.